Hello friend, welcome to my video. Today we're talking our Lightroom Tutorial Basics Masterclass. This video will teach you everything you need to know to learn how to edit photos professionally in Adobe Lightroom. Exposure minus 0.19. Highlight plus 18. Shadow minus 32. Black minus 40. Do not forget subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to color. Vibrance plus 11. Go to color mix. Orange saturation plus 44. Do not forget subscribe my YouTube channel. Saturation plus 5. Green hue plus 50. Go to effect. Clarity plus 37. Vignette minus 17.